Want to guide your art creation? Here's how to write a prompt on Ghibliart AI. Log into your account first and click on the Create button on the dashboard. In the prompt box, type in your creative idea, be descriptive, mention details like art style, colors, atmosphere, and objects you want to see. Once you are satisfied, hit the Generate button to see your idea come to life. If the prompt is not generating art, try rephrasing your description or being more specific. And that's it. Your prompt is ready to generate beautiful art. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.